Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So for those of you who watch Sunday Shorts, we talked about THG, and this is what I said. What's probably going to happen, and hopefully what will happen, because this is the healthiest option. So you have a price rally here, come back down, maybe test it as support, and we continue to move on from here. Same with the RSI, you would see the same behavior in the RSI. So the hope is you would fall back down a little bit, back test this trend line, and we move on from here. I swear to God, I don't have a crystal ball. Now that the exact scenario that we mapped out on Sunday played out, where do we go from here? I think that's the most important question. So let's dive into the recent price action to see what's going on. So one of the good things about THG is while the scenario that we mapped out played out, it did it in a very healthy way. So what do I mean by that? If you notice, when we were in this broadening descending channel and met the technical target below, when we broke out, I did say that it would be nice for the price action to test the trend line right here, somewhere closer to here before continuation. The good thing about THG though is the token price action was so healthy that when it broke off, it found support in the EMAs instead of the trend line. It wicked below the trend line, yes, but most of the time, it really spent a lot of its time during the EMAs. And once again, broke out of the structure, and what do you know? So we now have a golden cross right here. So we are back on an uptrend. So what we want to see moving forward, we don't want an overextension on the EMAs because that means there's higher risk that you will fail the structure when it goes back down. So what we want to happen right here is you want the EMAs to catch on, but you can already start to see from this week what you want is you kind of want the price to just chill here. So maybe do something like this and then perhaps continue on right here. So the hope is we're going to form an inverse head and shoulders where this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. If this scenario plays out, we do have a technical target to the upside now. So the technical target would be the height of the head from the neckline. But an inverse head and shoulders will only play out if we fall back down from here, rally back up, but eventually break this neckline. You need this neckline to be broken in order to realize the pattern. But once it does, so let's say it does it here, we now have a technical target of around $11.91. So this is the immediate short-term targets that we're looking at. And you may be wondering, if I want to buy more THG, what do I do now? Because it's currently rallying. My first advice is be patient, wait for the price to come back and at least test the EMAs as support before you buy more. So not financial advice. And you may be wondering, but Rini, what if it just shoots to the moon? Sure, but the problem is when you're buying something that's overextended from the EMAs, there is far more risk that the price would go down than the price would move. If the price moves, then so be it, right? Lucky you. But majority of the time, things fall back down. So price action doesn't move up forever. So try not to FOMO in here. What you do is really wait for the EMAs to catch up. Maybe target whichever the EMA values are. If the price is roughly there, then feel free to DCA accordingly. But otherwise, try not to do anything for now. Another option is if you really want to be sure, because for all you know, there may be a scenario where, it could just go down and go down and go down right here. How can you confirm, or if you really want to be risk averse, how can you confirm that we are ready to move on from here? Aim for the neckline. When you have a breakout on this neckline, this could be another buying opportunity because you know that this particular neckline we will break this price right here and most likely back test this as support before continuation to $11.91. And that's it. Just a short update on THG. If you guys bought during the dip, congratulations. But just take note, THG's potential is really quite strong. It's one of the healthiest cryptos that I've seen so far out of all of the gaming cryptos that we've been tracking. So buckle up for the ride then. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think. Share this with your friends too. If you also have any other gaming cryptos that you want me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.